Welcome back to our series. This is Sir Francis Online Tuition, powered by Odum Business Consult. Please do well and learn more at www.ghanaonlineeducation.com. You get all the necessary courses that are being offered in our senior high school and junior high school. We are doing our best to bring on board the past question in our various universities in the country. Thank you for being with us. In our previous series, we started looking at the introductory part of financial accounting. We considered the meaning of financial accounting. We went on to the purpose of financial accounting. We also considered what is meant by bookkeeping. And the last one that we did was stages in accounting process. Okay, for the day, or for today, we are going to look at the uses of financial accounting. Okay, if you go back to the definition of financial accounting, we said that financial accounting has to do with a process of identifying, analyzing, measuring, and communicating financial information of a business to its users. Okay, so from the definition, you could see a key word here, users. Okay, so today we are going to look at the meaning or the uses of financial accounting, and by the end of the lesson you'll be able to know some of the uses of financial accounting. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So we provide accounting information to so many users, okay? And the following are some of the users that we provide information to, or they are interested in accounting information. And the first one that we are going to consider is management, okay? So management, the first one is management. And the second one is potential investors or shareholders, okay? So we can talk of potential investors or shareholders. And then next on the list is government. From the government, then we move on to employees. Okay, employees too are also interested in accounting information. They are one of the key users of accounting information. And the next one has to do with customers. And you have creditors and the general public at large. Okay, so you out there, you're also part of the users of accounting information. Okay, information provided by businesses goes a long way to help the general public at large, okay, and to help them because the general public, they are also having some kind of interest in accounting information, okay. So at this stage, this is where I'm going to end the presentation on the users of accounting information. In our next series, we are going to look at the information needs of these users, okay. So this one we said the users of accounting information are management, potential investors or shareholders, we have government, we have employees, we have customers, we have creditors, and the general public at large, okay. So these are some of the accounting users that we have. So in examination, when you are asked to state at least 5 users of accounting information, these are the requirements, or these are what you are supposed to present to the examiner, okay. If you provide this, you are far from wrong, okay. So thank you very much for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do well and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press on the bell icon so that any future updates you will not miss it. Thank you very much for watching. See you.